If you are planning a trip to Kandy, don't forget to add these two places into your itinerary. Today we explore the beauty of Hanthana Bird Park and the spiritual calm of Sandagiri Seya all in one unforgettable journey. Welcome back everyone to Auki Lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel now. Our journey begins in Kandy, heading towards the scenic Hanthana mountain range, just a short drive from the city. You can easily reach this place by a tuk-tuk or a private vehicle. It will take about half an hour to 45 minutes. Welcome to Hanthana Birds Park, a sanctuary for bird lovers and natural enthusiasts. Home to a wide variety of exotic and native bird species, this park offers a unique chance to connect with wildlife. There's an entry ticket for this. The entry ticket is 700. You can see wide variety of birds in these cages. Look at these colors, it's amazing how close you can get to these birds. These are the most beautiful, most colorful variety of the birds that I saw in this bird park, that is macaws. Our next stop is Sandagiri Seya. It was a poor day and it was evening time, so it was very beautiful when we go there. So we went there at the night time. We need to climb up about 100 steps to reach the Stupa. This is a newly built Stupa, but it's located in a very beautiful location. From the vibrant life at Hanthana to the peaceful silence here, this journey reminds us to the diversity of experience Sri Lanka has to offer, especially the Kandy. Don't forget to visit these two places in your next Kandy trip. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me and also follow this video, like and share this video. See you in the next video.